What's good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another review for you guys. In this video, I'm going to talk about a collabing duo that has absolutely blessed the sneaker world over the last couple of years. Of course, I'm talking about Aime Dore and New Balance, and this time they have collabed yet again on the P550.
He did it.
So what up guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I'm gonna break down this sneaker. We'll talk about the collabing history between Aime Dore and New Balance. We'll go over the quality. I'll give you some sizing tips for those resellers out there. I'll also be giving you some resale predictions. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So here it is, they've done it again, Aime Dore and New Balance. And let's be honest, is there a better collabing duo in the game right now? If you go through the history between these two brands, pretty much every release has been absolutely fire, commanding very, very high resale prices. In fact, one of my absolute grail sneakers has to be those 990 V2s. I still have not copped them. I will one day though. This collab has proven to be so successful that the founder of ALD, Teddy Santis, he was recently given a full-time position over at New Balance as the creative director of New Balance USA starting in 2022. But the topic of this video are the 550s. This is specifically the Racing Green Colorway. This was the second collab on the 550s between Aime Dore and New Balance. Last year, perhaps one of the most popular sneakers to release last year had to be those original 4 colorways that ALD dropped. The 550 was a sneaker that New Balance first debuted in the late 80s, and it was just kind of sitting there in the New Balance archives. ALD brought it back and it proved to be one of the most popular collabs of the year. New Balance saw that, so they started releasing a lot of general release colorways, and honestly, it's really hard to find a colorway that looks bad on this silhouette. It is just a very easy to wear shoe, looks great with pretty much any type of pants. And over the last couple of years, it's hard to find another silhouette that is so universally liked as the 550s have been. But one thing's for sure, New Balance is definitely leaving the best colorways to ALD, because the ALD colorways so far, in my opinion, definitely the best that have released. The first 4 colorways, all super clean shoes. And now we got the second round of colorways and they did not disappoint. Once again, ultra clean. They have that vintage type of aesthetic to the shoe. This colorway, which was an ALD exclusive, I was only able to get this because there was an exclusive raffle for people who had ordered the 1300s that you see back here. We were given special access to a special raffle, and from my understanding, you had a very good chance of securing a pair if you entered that raffle. I actually entered it in my girlfriend's size because she really wanted this sneaker, and I was able to hit. The other colorway, which was that red pair, that seems to be also releasing worldwide at some point. We will be seeing a lot of retailers get that pair as well. The one difference I immediately noticed with this sneaker is the box. It comes in a green box, which is the first time I have seen a green box from ALD. Usually we always get these cream colored boxes. On this pair, the upper is of course mainly done in white leather, smooth white leather, but you also have some hits of racing green. I love the aged midsole. I know not a lot of people are a fan of that. I personally really like the look. Also, this yellow end logo that you see on the shoe, it is done in this cracked leather, so it adds even more of that vintage type of vibe. You got these white laces that come with the shoe, but in addition to that, you get these cream laces as well, which will probably, in my opinion, look even better. If you're planning to just wear this every day, I wouldn't say it's the most comfortable shoe. It is a shoe from the mid 80s after all. It does, however, at least have an ortholite insole, so it does add a little bit of cushioning there. We get some ALD branding on the tongue of the sneaker. Also on the back of the left shoe, you have another ALD logo right there. On the insole of the sneaker, you see the slogan of the ALD 550 campaign, which is International Friendship Through Basketball. Sizing on the shoe, that's probably my only complaint with this sneaker. I have worn this sneaker in the past when I go true to size, so I wear a US 11. If I go a US 11 in these, I do get a little bit of heel slippage at the back of the shoe. However, going a half size down, I don't think would be advisable because the front of the sneaker definitely fits perfectly. It's not too long, it's just the right size if you go true to size. But I don't think I would go down half a size because from a width perspective, the sizing is just perfect. It just seems like the shoe is a bit long, so that's why there is a bit of heel slippage for me. If you have the laces on tight enough though, you should be fine. So my personal advice is to go true to size. I also want to touch on resale a little bit because I am honestly shocked with these resale prices. This was the second round of colorway, so I honestly didn't expect the resale to be so high, especially in these girl sizes, which is what I have. The resale prices are absolutely ridiculous right now. They're so high, in fact, that my girlfriend actually felt bad about keeping this pair. And with this particular colorway, the fact that it was an ALD exclusive, I don't see the prices dropping. Just look at any of the other ALD colorways that dropped last year. The prices on those just kept going higher and higher. And I honestly see the same happening with this particular colorway. The other one, the red pair, I think the prices will drop once we see that worldwide release. With these, however, if you cop them just to resale, I would personally hold on to them and not sell right now. All right, so what are my final thoughts on this sneaker? So I love this colorway, and I would even go as far as to say this might just be the best colorway out of all of the ALD pairs so far. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think? I know a lot of people were feeling the same about this shoe. The green, the cream, the yellow, it just looks really, really nice in hand. I gotta say, this one is probably my favorite colorway so far. Great colorway on a really nice silhouette, a very, very easy to wear type of shoe. In my opinion, these are definitely a cop. I'm gonna go grab my girlfriend to do the on feet, but before we do that, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Thank you for all the support so far, and of course follow your boy on Instagram. I'm dropping a ton of content on there as well, and it is the easiest place to contact me, so make sure you guys follow me on IG. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos and for supporting my channel. You guys are the absolute best. The on feet coming right now. Until next time, guys, peace.